Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about implementing applications as made by the students at Honorable High Court of Karnataka. The repeater students have made Article 226 writ petition implementing application under Civil Procedure Code Section 10 implementing application have made for the upcoming LLB examinations. As you all know, Honorable High Court of Karnataka have been given stay order for the LLB examinations. That will be impact especially for repeaters who have been completed the course still pending of the backlog subjects. For them it is very difficult to move to the next further level of, after completion of LLB course they will have a plan to join LLM, they will have a plan to do advocate, they will have a plan to do many kind of works. So for them it is difficult to maintain at present, especially they have studied and they have properly, what do you call them? They were eager to write the examinations. Due to stay order they have been got stuck. Their prayer is here. UGC, University Grant Commission, has given guidelines for freshers. So far University Grant Commission, they have not given any guidelines for the repeaters. Repeaters has to write their examinations because the backlog subjects, that is killing them like anything. So that is the reason they have made uh, impleading applications at Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So their prayer is, this is that UGC guidelines and whichever judgment is applicable for even semester students, that will not be applicable for especially uh, repeaters students. So the repeaters are ready to write the examination to complete their backlog subjects and to complete the LLB course. They are very eager to write the examinations to complete the course because they wanted to move from the LLB. Then after they have to join, like what I suggested earlier, like they have to join like LLB, LLM, sorry, LLM. They would like to go for other jobs. They would like to prefer any kind of, like any kind of works they have to do. So for this, they are requesting at Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Karnataka State Law University has to conduct the examinations for repeaters. If we make the examinations for repeaters, that is very useful for them to complete the LLB course. This is how they have prayed through, what do you call, repetitions under CPC section 10 impleading application they have made for the to conduct the LLB, especially to conduct the LLB examinations. So their request is, there is no much COVID effect affecting now. If third wave starts, that you new corona, what we call, if that, if that will be continue again, means it will be very difficult to complete the course especially. So that is the reason they are requesting Honorable High Court of Karnataka to KSLU as to conduct the examinations especially for repeaters. They have they have they have no problem with whether they are going to conduct LLB examinations for even semesters or not, but their prayer is for especially repeaters, they have to conduct the examinations. So this is how their implementing application have made with Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So in this video I have been clarified about the repeaters have been made the implemented applications Article 226. So For any clarification, you can put a comment below for any seeking clarification, so that I can give clarification in the other next videos. So I hope this video has given the clarity about the impleading application as made by the students. uh, I hope my videos are very useful for your academics and as well as your upcoming LLB examinations. Request to subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, LLB coach and motivational speakers, so that you will get notification of very good videos like this. Thank you.